Sziasztok! Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you vocabulary in connection with the word mother. We will see some important rules, funny phrases, and swear words. Sorry moms. If you don't use this word correctly, you can easily end up using it as a swear word, and hopefully you don't want to do that. So we're gonna see how to avoid that, and we're gonna have some funny phrases and expressions. Keep watching. First of all, let's see some ways how Hungarians call their moms. The most common ways to call your mom is anyu and anya. You can also call her anyuci. Some people call them mommy or mama, but mama is rather granny for me. I call mine anyuka. And then there's this beautiful word, édesanya. Édes means sweet, so it's like the mother who gave you birth. If you have to fill in any kind of papers, official forms in Hungary, they would usually ask for your mom's birth name, and this is the word they use on those forms, édesanya. And unfortunately, mothers and cursing, it is there in a lot of languages. It's not a unique thing in Hungarian. So if you want to say my mom, I recommend to use the word anyuka plus the personal possessive endings, anyukám, my mom. If you say anyám, anya plus the personal possessive ending, it would make me think that you don't have a good relationship with your mom. It doesn't sound nice. And it can also be used like, oh my god, anyám, anyám, anyám. And if you want to ask something about your friend's mom, your partner's mom you're talking to, please use the word anyukád or édesanyád. If you put the personal possessive ending after the word anya and you say anyád, then it sounds like the F word in English, anyád. So if you don't want to hurt your friend, don't say it. If you want to hurt him, you can say it. If you want to ask your friend, how's your mom doing, don't ask him or her, anyád hogy van? It's like, again, the F word, or like go to hell. Anyád hogy van? Even if you say it nice, anyád hogy van? It means go to hell. If you want to ask, how's your mom doing, hogy van anyukád? Hogy van édesanyád? You can say these, or hogy vannak anyudék? This is really common to say. Or hogy van anyud? How's your mom? And now let's see some funny phrases. The first one is anyám asszony katonája. Anyám asszony is an older word for mother. Anyám asszony katonája literally means mother's soldier. Mom's little boy, a crybaby, someone who is not confident at all, someone who's really shy. And the next one is a very common phrase, a saying, we use it a lot. Néma gyereknek anyja sem érti a szavát. Néma gyereknek anyja sem érti a szavát. It means even a mother doesn't understand the word of a mute child. And it means that if you don't tell me what's your problem, you can't expect me to know what's the matter. So it's like, tell me what's your problem. I can't figure it out otherwise. And as it is usually with sayings, it's enough to say, néma gyereknek, and everyone will know what you mean. Another swear word, which is not like the F word, but still doesn't sound nice at all, anyád kínját. Anyád kínját. Literally it means the pain of your mother. And then we have anya szomorító. Literally it means a person who makes his mom very sad. So anya szomorító is a person who behaves really bad. The next one is anya szeme fénye. Anya szeme fénye. Literally it means the light, the sparkle in mother's eyes. So it's like mom's little angel. And the last one is, I think it's very funny, anyám borogas. I've been searching for this word in English a lot. If you know it, please let me know in the comments. I have no idea if there's a verb like this in English, but borogatás is this cold compress pack that they put on your forehead, or a cold towel that they put on your forehead when you have a fever. So anyám borogas, it's an imperative form, and it's like, Mom, please put a cold towel on my forehead. That's the best translation I could get for this. And we use this when we're surprised, or when we're shocked, or when someone says something very stupid. Anyám borogas. I'm not really sure about the origin because I haven't found anything, but use a cold compress on our forehead when we're sick. So it's like when someone's telling you very stupid things, then you're like, Mom, help, save me. This is it for now. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and after all those ugly words, go and hug your mom. If you have any suggestions, ideas, more examples, let us know in the comments. Thank you for choosing Hungarian. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Sziasztok! Saying that someone is anyám asszony katonája, it's like saying that he's such a pussy in a more sophisticated way.